Alright, welcome back, boys. Today, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make the pick a path function for the AI. So, what you want to do is, so basically, my AI starts off and he goes from cam 6 to then cam 5, and then he has two paths to pick. So I'm going to change the script starting after the first movement. So instead of broadcasting a second movement here, we're going to broadcast a new message called pick path, or pick path. All right. And we are going to put that when we receive the pick path. All right, so let's see here. We're gonna make a new variable called picked path. There we go. And we are going to set picked path to pick a random 1 to 2. Because, you guys can put more than 2. You can put like 1 to 3 if you have like 3 different paths the AI could go for. In this case, I only have the left, the right, and yeah, that's about it. Pretty much. Okay, so after that, we can, now we'll be taking this, duplicating it, and setting this to broadcast. Second movement. Okay, there we go. And now we're gonna put some if statements on all of the movements after the AI has picked a path. So in this case, wait 5 seconds. We're gonna put if we're gonna put an equal right here, equal right there. Of course, I didn't mean to run that. Also hide that. So here we're going to put if if pick path equals 1, or if pick path equals 2. There we go. So if the pick path equals 1, we set the right position 3, and if the pick path equals 2, we set the, where you're just gonna set it to where is the next camera. In my case, if it goes to the left, it's gonna go on cam 3. If it goes to the right, it's gonna go on cam 4. So for me, 1 is left, 2 is right. So cam 3 is the left for me, and cam 4 is the right. So after that, we're going to, broadcast again third movement, and we can take this piece of code. We can go right here. We can still keep the weight, of course. So we set that right there, and we change it to the next position. So in my case, left. The next position on the left would be cam 1. The next position on the next position on the right would be cam 2. After that, we broadcast the usual, just like that. And then we can also, again, duplicate this. We can delete this, delete that, set this right here, take this out. And now, depending on where your AI goes, you're going to set a specific thing and not just nil anymore. We're gonna put something like we can just put L, okay? And 2 is the right, so left, right, all right? After that, we're gonna modify the attempt door attack script. We're gonna put a big fat elf if else here. We're gonna put that right there. Shove this in there. not mean to run that. Okay. Keep the weight up here. After that, we're gonna put an equal right there. Yeah, seems fair enough. And we are going to check if, I already have the equal operator, my bad. If the pick path equals 1. So if the pick path equals 1, then it will equal to the left door, so it'll run the code for the left door. Else it's of course gonna be the, it's either 1 or 2, so it's gonna do that. If you have more than that, then you would basically have to continue the loop. So let's say I put that right there, put this right here, put an if right there. Hold on, let me see if that actually makes sense. So if it's path 1, it's left door. If it's path 2, else it's gonna be path 2, which is the right door. So we're gonna switch all the variables to right door, and that's basically about it. So now what you're gonna do is you're gonna go into right here, and you can right here when you see when I receive. Oh wait, we also have to, okay. So we're gonna make some modifications. We're gonna get an AND operator. And we're going to put here another check for if the robber position is actually left. Because this guy is actually on the left, okay? And we're gonna put that there. I don't know if it's actually completely necessary, but we're just gonna put this as a precaution, and we're gonna take this and put that right there as well. And there we go. So just move a little bit of this. Real nice, great. So that's how you do the pick path. Hold on, let me just, okay. Need to adjust that, and now we can basically duplicate this guy. And we can set them on the other door. So in this case, I'm gonna keep the same Y level, which is 0. And here it's negative 150, so I'm gonna put the opposite of that, which would be positive 150. So there you go. Just like that. And now, here we can also change the name. So this is door glass L, door glass R, and here you're also going to put R. Oh, and almost forgot right here. You're also going to check, in this case it's R, and in this case it's L. And there we go, ladies and gentlemen. So that's how you make your AI actually be able to pick another path. And yeah, that's about it. So in the next episode, I will show you guys how to make a pick path. I will show you guys how to make the AI RNG based, and also a pick path check to make sure that another AI is not already on one of the paths. Of course, here it's useless because there's already a preset cooldown, so it's already like set. You already know which enemy is gonna get to that path first, depending on how you set your AI. So there we go. So yeah, I'll see you guys next time.